Are you on your way to Bonita Springs, Florida for your next vacation? And perhaps you're considering Hyatt Residence Club, Coconut Plantation? And do you want to see what a 2-bedroom villa looks like? Well, stick around. I'm going to show you the one we stayed in right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. We're going to check out Villa 5366 here in Building 3 at Hyatt Residence Club, Coconut Plantation in Bonita Springs, Florida. As we head into the villa here, the first thing you're going to notice is a small entryway. There is a bench there and also a coat rack up on the wall. Now turning to the left, the next thing we're going to take a look at behind these closet doors is the in-room laundry. Stacked high efficiency washer and dryer. These actually look to be pretty much full size. Definitely handy to have anytime you're on a timeshare vacation. Right across from the in-room laundry is where you'll find the guest bathroom. You do only have a single vanity here with a pretty large mirror. This bathroom actually was a pretty good size. It also does, of course, have a toilet and a bathtub with a shower. We're now going to move from the guest bathroom into the guest bedroom here. This guest bedroom just has 2 full beds. So unfortunately, this villa actually only sleeps up to 6 people. 2 people in here, 2 in the living room, we'll check out here in just a moment when you pull out the sleeper sofa, as well as 2 in the master. Yeah, like I said, just 2 full beds in here. You do have a nightstand, a lamp there in the corner. And in here, you also do have pretty good size chest of drawers with a pretty good size television up on top there as well. Over in the corner of the bedroom here, you also do have a pretty good sized closet. The one thing we did notice that was kind of strange, this closet was also home to the water heater. So you have to hang your clothes up here in front of the water heater, but it's also where you'll find the iron and ironing board. Now let's make our way out to the main living area. We're going to first take a look at the kitchen here. Pretty good sized kitchen. Does have a pretty good bar area there with a couple of stools. Plenty of counter space here as well. Some beautiful cabinets, stainless steel appliances. This kitchen is definitely top notch. In all the cabinets, you're going to find dinnerware, glassware, and silverware for 6 people. And another interesting thing, there's no knife block here, but they just have all of the steak knives here kind of tossed in this drawer. As we continue to take a look through the kitchen here, I want to let you know, on Destination Timeshare, I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. Even if you don't happen to own timeshare, but you love visiting these fantastic resort properties and staying in these fantastic villas, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. So please be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Now right across from the kitchen, we actually found this really great set of cupboards, these cabinets here, with kind of a desk in the middle of them. That desk was kind of odd, but these cabinets were actually excellent for packing away any groceries, so you can get them off the countertops and into these cabinets. Definitely a great thing to have. Many timeshare villas that we visit don't have this much storage for your food items. Now moving into the villa a little bit more here, you do have this nice table along the wall here, along with a shelf up here, with some pretty nice decorations. Now we'll take a look at the dining room, kind of just a table that's kind of between the kitchen and the living room. It is actually a pretty small dining room table, just 4 chairs around it, but you'll notice there's one chair over there kind of against the TV stand. There was also another one at that kind of desk area between those 2 cupboards, so you could technically get 6 people around this dining room table, but like I say, it would be kind of tight because this table is fairly small. Now moving into the living room area here, there is a pretty good sized sofa there that also, like I mentioned, does pull out into a queen size bed. 2 pretty big chairs, some side tables, some lamps, some nice artwork on the wall here as well. One thing we did kind of find that was a little bit small is this area rug that's on the floor, because it is tile throughout the living room and kitchen area. That area rug was actually a little bit small. The chairs kind of had to hang off the sides, so they weren't even. They kind of rocked a little bit. Just a little bit annoying. It would have been nice if that area rug was a little bit bigger. You do also have in here a TV stand with a pretty large television up on top. And that thing beside that is actually some kind of Polk sound system. We didn't actually use it. Not really sure what the purpose of that is for. I guess that somehow sound comes out of the television out of that. We didn't really use that or even really know how to use it, but that's what it was. Now we're going to move in and take a look at the master bedroom. Pretty much right at the front of the villa, it does have a great big patio door there that does go out to the patio. Lets in lots of light there as well. But a king size bed in here. You do have some nightstands with some lamps, a bench there in the corner. Definitely a pretty good size master bedroom here. And there is also, again, another dresser there with a pretty good sized television up on top of that as well. Also in the master bedroom here, this is one of 2 closets. This first closet actually has quite a bit of storage. Pretty nice shelving unit in here. Does have a lot of extra space. One thing that we noticed this villa wasn't lacking was storage for your clothes, because you could put some in here, and you also had the dresser there that the TV was on. You're going to find the in-room safe in here as well. The other closet doesn't have nearly as much, just a luggage rack there and some space to hang some clothes. Now let's take a look at the connected master bathroom here. It does have a dual vanity setup, kind of a split vanity setup actually, where one's on one side of the door and one's on the other, but dual vanity, 2 sinks. Definitely nice to have this split vanity setup for when 2 people are needing to get ready. You're also going to notice a pretty good size jetted jacuzzi tub in here with a big mirror back there behind that, which is actually right in between the shower and the toilet. We're going to take a look at here right now. Just an enclosed glass walk-in shower. Not overly big, kind of a little bit on the small side, but it did seem to serve its purpose during our stay. On the other side of the jetted tub is where you'll find the toilet, just in what is actually a pretty small water closet. Now that we've seen the inside of the villa, it's time to step out and we're going to take a look at the patio. Out here we have an excellent, huge patio. You do have 4 chairs and a patio table, as well as these 2 kind of pool loungers. Definitely lots of space out here. You do also have 2 ceiling fans out on the patio here, and it is also screened in. And of course, one thing that I like to point out every time, if there is an electrical outlet, and this patio does have one. So there you have it, the 2-bedroom villa here at Hyatt, Bonita Springs, Coconut Plantation in Bonita Springs, Florida. Are you planning to stay here for your next trip? Or maybe you're an owner here. Let me know your thoughts about this property and about these villas in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos all about timeshare, I have all kinds of them, all different properties, all about timeshare on my channel. Check out the description box below. And for another video about Hyatt Residence Club, Coconut Plantation, check out the one up there in the upper right. And YouTube, they think you'll like the one right below that. Please be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.